Changing your life is only one decision away. You see, this was me back in 2022. I was very overweight, over 300 pounds. I was miserable, and I felt like I was going to unalive in like the next 2 years. I knew in my heart of hearts, if I didn't make a decision and I didn't change something, I would not be here today speaking to you. I had to make a change. And that's what I did, my friends. I made a change. I made one decision that changed my life and has given me my life back. And now I'm able to focus on my future rather than just my present. You see, when I was overweight like this, I was so sick. I spent my days in bed. It was go to work, come home, go to bed. That was it. My kids were raising themselves, my husband was fending for himself, my house a total chaotic disaster. You need to make a decision about where you want to go, where you want to be. Do you actually see your life right where it's at? Are you that comfortable? Because nobody should be that comfortable. You should always be striving for the next thing. You should always be striving for change, for progression, not perfection. Progression, not perfection. Now I'm 95 pounds down because of that one decision. Because of that one decision to say no more. I'm not taking it anymore. I'm not living like this another day. I want to live, and I have plenty to live for. You want to change your life. You are one decision away from doing so. Learn more in my link in bio, or you can comment how here so that I can teach you what I'm doing now that I have gained my health back.